Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ladydelightful here. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this super easy wig cap. Oh my gosh, it's a wig! Okay, so the things you're gonna need is your cap. I got this one for my soy first. Also, you need any hair of your choice, okay? And a glue gun and glue sticks, okay? Okay guys, so the first thing that you're gonna have to do is to turn your cup inside out, okay? Alright, and this is the adjustable strap, and these are the edges that you're going to be sticking the hair. Okay. Alright, okay, so guys, this is very easy and simple. All you have to do, just apply your glue, alright, and just, stick your hair on there and just cut it. And repeat the same process, until you feel like the hair, you've got enough hair on the cap. But one thing that would help is just try and stick the hair just right at the edges of the hair, the cap, sorry. Okay, so don't do it right to the middle, okay? Just stick the hair just on the edges, as you can see me doing right now. So this is going to be the last hair that I'll put on the cap. So just put all the hair at the hairs at the edge of the cap, okay? All right. Okay, so as you can see me doing right now, I'm just doing the arch. I call it the arch. I don't know if that's the right name, but I call it the arch. Okay, then you put the hair there as well, all right, just to cover the back. Okay, so guys, you see me using this glue that I'm using is the hot glue. So guys, when you're using it, just be very careful, yeah? It might not necessarily burn you, but yeah, it's quite hot, so just be very careful. I know they've got some cold glue as well, so you can opt for that one if you want. Okay, so it looks like we're getting there. One other thing I would say as well is that, guys, please don't use too much hair. Please don't. Just make sure that the hair is enough, okay, and it looks full, but don't use too much hair, because if not, you're gonna end up getting headaches. Okay, so just use enough hair, cover the edges, and you are done, guys. So this is the end product. Do you like it? What do you guys think? Oh my god, it's looking good. And this is the inside. So we are ready to put the cap on. All right, okay. Oh, I can't wait to wear it. Oh wow, guys, what do you guys think? It's looking good already, and it looks so real. Guys, when you put it on, just adjust it to the way you want it to be. Make sure that you're comfortable in it, okay? All right, and make sure that you've got enough hair covering your side. So if you have to pull some of the hair out, just pull it out, all right? And make sure that it's very comfortable, it's covering all the sides, and it looks like the hair is actually coming out of your scalp, okay? Brilliant. I'm loving this already. So guys, this is the fun bit, okay? So I decided to obviously go ahead and see if I can find different ways of means of wearing this wig, okay? So watch me do this. I think I did about 2 styles here. I want you guys to obviously watch till the end and tell me which one is your favorite, okay? Because I thought, all right, when the hair is just down, it looks quite boring. Can we spice it up a little bit, okay? So watch me do this. This is the second style. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this already. Look at that. Wow, this looks so amazing. Wow. So you just secure the ends with a rubber band, okay, just to help the hair from unraveling. Wow, I'm loving this. It looks like my real hair. What you guys think? Please let me know at the comment box, okay? Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god, I'm loving this, okay? Obviously, make sure that everything is in the right places, especially the back. You don't want your real hair to be sticking out, okay? All right, so make sure that the back is covered as well. Oh, I'm loving this already, guys. Wow. tag me on your socials, Instagram, Facebook, all right, and let me see how you get on, okay? But I'm loving it, guys. This looks so natural, okay? Always don't forget to check the back, okay, and make sure that everything is intact, okay, and there's no hair sticking out, all right? Brilliant, brilliant. Oh, I'm loving this, guys. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to support your girl. Please share with your family members. Let me know what you think at the comment box, okay? But thank you so much for all the support that you've been giving me so far. Please keep supporting me and keep subscribing to my channel, okay? Take care. God bless. See you in the next video.